I recently asked me which apps I really need to have on my Mac, and I came up with 5 apps I probably couldn't survive without. 3 of these are just general apps, and the other 2 are just for making these videos. Let's get started with the general apps. The first app is called Zen. At this point you probably have heard of Arc, and Zen is a lot like Arc, but based on Firefox and not discontinued. So here are a few things that make Zen stand out. First, Zen has vertical tabs, so the tabs are not on top of the browser but in a sidebar. Second, Zen has different workspaces for different parts of your life, and Zen has these pinned tabs which work like little apps. Next we have Raycast, and if you're a Mac user you have probably used Spotlight at least once. Well, Raycast is like Spotlight but with so many more features. Let me show you. Obviously Raycast can launch apps, but I can also control the system like emptying the trash, or it saves snippets for me so I can type faster. And by far the most important feature of Raycast is confetti. But Raycast lets you also install extensions where you can control other apps with, like Notion. With the Notion extension installed, you can control Notion in Raycast, which is really cool in my opinion. And speaking of Notion, Notion is also a pretty essential app for me. When I open Notion, I am greeted with this, because I organize my channel in Notion. Here in title and thumbnail inspiration, I have saved some titles and thumbnails I could use in the future. And here in YouTube videos, I have all my video ideas, all my videos that are currently in progress, and all my videos that have already been published. Notion is also where I organize all my tasks. Done. Now, before we continue to my apps for content creation, I want you to send me your computer's desktop, and when my channel reaches 1000 subscribers, I make a video where I rank all of them. So click the first link in the description and make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now let's continue to my most essential app for content creation. The first app is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a video editing software, and it's objectively the best video editing software out there. The simple reason for that is DaVinci Resolve is feature rich and free, and that's unmatched. Here's what you can do in DaVinci Resolve. First, you can organize all your footage, and it seems like I have a bunch of offline media. Then you can cut and edit your footage, add some special effects, mess with the color, mess with the audio, and when you're done, export the video. And another pretty essential app for my content creation process is Figma. Figma is where I create my thumbnails. Figma is actually a tool for software design, but I think it works great for thumbnails. And currently I'm making a secret project in Figma just for you. And these were my 5 most essential Mac apps. But you know, there are other Mac apps that are maybe not as essential but still cool. To see them all, click on this video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and send me your desktop.